The student council encouraged all students to participate in a canned food drive. Each grade level was given a bin to collect the cans of food. At the end, the student council representatives for each grade level counted the number of cans collected. About how many cans of food were collected? Is the actual number of cans greater or less than the estimate? In other words, is it an underestimate or an overestimate? So the first thing I need to do is I need to take my cans and I need to round them so I can do the estimate that I need to do. 189 would round to 200 because I'm going to round to the nearest hundred since it doesn't indicate what to do. 209 rounds to 200. 278 rounds to 300, and 397 rounds to 400. So the next thing I will do is I will add them. 2 and 2 is 4, plus 4 is 8. Come back to the 3, which is 11. So about 1,100 cans. But that's just this first part here. That it tells me about how many cans were collected. My second part I need to do is I now need to figure out, is this an underestimate or an overestimate? To do that, I'm going to look back and I'm going to look at my rounding. My 189 rounded up to 200, and when I rounded it was up a little more than 10. My 209, when it rounded down about 10. My 278 rounded up, but it was over 20. That's a little more than 20 going up. And 397, that went up just a little bit. It only went up 3. So now what I do is I notice that I rounded up much more, right? Because it was up 10, up 20, and up 3, and it was only down 10. So my estimate is an overestimate, because I went rounded up much more than I rounded down. That means that the actual number of cans is less than this estimate.